Ovunque ti porti l'estate, capelli protetti dal sole.
Share il video, share where.
Ogni casa racconta una storia. Da 45 anni il gruppo Tecnocasa è accanto a chi deve vendere o acquistare un immobile, grazie alle agenzie Tecno.
Don't be lying. Share the video. Like this video. What? Ekinido, memu you wabo, and we know, memu you wabo. La baba, argument BECKY your boss your wow. Ugiara kamepa o.
Wọn no re we popa meke.
Ogedu na me o. Na gogo gedu na me o. Ọma o. Ọma dogi popo. Ẹ yà ni o pọ yọ. Yere kwore o. Eke nori ni aye o baba. Yere kwore o. Yera. Huh? Abonu yere kwore o. Yere kwore o. Oh yere no yo yo. You dey feel am? Baba yere kwore o. BECKY ameme Jesu me no kere o. Ọmọ kọ́mọ lọ́nà yóò rọrùn rẹ o. Àwọn àyàn lọ́nà yóò rọrùn rẹ o. Yàrá ọ̀yà mẹ́. Lọ́nà yóò rọrùn rẹ. Yàrá yọ̀ mẹ́gbẹ́ o. Ayé rẹ̀ náà yóò yàn o. Orí gúnmẹ́kùn wá bọ́nẹ̀. Orí sàṣọ ọ̀nà ìyọ̀dún má dàmẹ́. Orí sàṣọ nẹ̀ ọ̀nà ìgbé dàmẹ́ o. Èké náà rí ayé o bàbá. Yẹrẹ kọ́ ẹ o. Ọmọ kọ́mọ n'ọba n'enu ọtẹlẹlẹmẹ. Kọ́mọ n'ọba wẹ́mi ọsẹlẹlẹmẹ. Ọ̀rọ̀ sì yẹ kẹ́lẹ́dẹ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìwúrẹ́ tó mẹ́wò. Èké náà rí ayé o bàbá. Yẹrẹ kwọ́rẹ́ o. Yẹrẹ kwọ́rẹ́ o. Yẹrẹ kwọ́rẹ́ o. Ajímẹ̀ náà yóò yọ o. Àdéhùn nínú pọ́pọ́ wọn làwọn ọmọ bàbá wọn. Ẹ̀yẹ́ lọ́rọ̀ wọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọn. Ẹ̀yẹ́ lọ́rọ̀ wọn bí yẹ. Wọ́n yẹ lọ́rọ̀ mẹ́wò. Èké náà rí ayé o bàbá. Yẹrẹ kwọ́rẹ́ o. Mẹ́kí náà ti lè gbẹ̀mẹ́. Ẹ̀yà bú ọ̀rẹ́ ló bí nàmẹ́ o. Ọmọ náà wẹ̀rẹ̀ rẹ̀ kí yẹn náà ẹ̀wẹ̀ yẹ débi sẹ́yà o, ọdún wáyà. All right, let's go there. Let's off the music. Shakali, as they hot. Open up for the move. Chop and with TV as they hot. Only story now. All right, guys. Yes, my lovely people, I greet you all with better stuff. We are most to talk for national peace story, peace and love. For those of you who will watch me and you do for YouTube, I beg, click the love button. That way they put that love, so press on. They don't use money, they press on. Just use your hand, press on. You understand? Press on once, only once, just once. Not press on 2 times. Just once like this, leave on. And just they watch me. Just post them down. Leave on, just they watch me. No shaky. You understand? I want to talk. I know if I want to talk, everywhere must well. I must pay for peace. You see this Mugu when they see my platform, so first of all, for your information, Oga Mugu, not because of you I carry, not because of you, Not make we do this video. Normally, you know what to even do video go give. You understand? Normally, this attention we want to give you, so I want to give you this attention today. You understand? I want to give you this attention today. You know, I want to give you the attention because of Uwaila. I don't want to give you the attention. Yes. Because of Uwaila, and people want to give you the attention. You know why? Because even when I'm so disappointed, see, person like me, we don't even see, I don't get money on a lie. No beliefs, I don't get. Person like me will be average millionaire. You understand? If this boy, they talk about me and my wife for the past years now, I'm not replying. It means it's not relevant. If this boy, this small boy, so they talk about me and my wife for the past years now, I'm not answering. And they come talk about Uwaila. Uwaila go answer and fuck up. No, big fuck up. Uwaila supposed to say, for even answering this boy, for even listening to this boy, giving this boy listening ears, now fuck up. But you know one thing we are counting laugh. We can talk to this idiot. And the video of apology, what you do, you understand? The stupid video what you do today. I know, say, your brother Edes and the maze, all of the just at normal level. And they don't press button for his side. They don't tell him, say, I will video normally. Because I know, say, your Uwaila and his senior brother for buy rubber for your back. That one a normal level. That one are old stories. You understand? That one are old stories. Then you still small. I can tell you people who they buy rubber for you by that time. When you still small, me, I go tell you. You understand? But I get me now. Now that one an old school story. But the major reason why I want to really emphasize on this matter, because it concerns Shine Francis Odigie, the wife of our brother Solo. You understand? And the way you talk about this matter, Mumu, it shows say you be really Mumu man. You see your apology shows say you are really a stupid man. You should not be man. So before I start, I beg, I'm gonna play a video. I will play a video. It's time because you know say this boy don't even know anything about this media. You tell me that the shot. You are not hearing me. Don't spiritual. You are not hearing me. I'm not going to shut the shot today because why? I'm not get that straight. If you see my brother cause to whatever eat, they're hungry. They're hungry where they're hungry now. Saga hungry. Because it's 2 days I never do saga. No say I never do saga. So because I'm hungry of saga. Now what? So let's go there. I'm going to analyze the video. And please share this video. Share the video. It is very, very important. And if you're watching me from Facebook, you can join my YouTube channel. Sharply as the husband for the because I'm going to remove the Facebook. I'm going to do it. I'm going to remove the Facebook as the hot. Sharply. Wallahi salam alaikum. Oh, come on. No, you go. All right. So guys, we're fully live on Facebook, on YouTube. We are fully live on YouTube. Please share this video and click on the like button. First, where do we start from? Because we got 3 videos of these idiots. Go and play.
They see me.
Yeah.
If Shafi get bitch, you understand?
Yeah.
I really buy something from them because those are, you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, eki no man or you go.
Hey, mama. For example, Bana, Uwaila they ask, mama. For example, Banwe Uwaila they support the other girl anyway. At least expenses here we are reducing a solo. A solo okay now. A solo I got to la de wa do Uwaila kan we mu we mokoko we. Uwaila ya gwan Uwaila ya gwan solo la gele la de we Uwaila wa yo be va gun we de gwan me no koko we e ye gwan. O je gwan na wa ga te mata. Wa be period na Uwaila ogi gentle anyway no gi jog oyere gi gwan because e DNA we carry papa wala ne. One that they use false information, they drag that man. Even me, where they talk so, I don't drag the man. I think see maybe like even they are the shine who they talk so. Shine Francis Odigie Have you bring a DNA that confirm say na Papa Wahala get that your pikin wey the tag? A question I can ask you, so very big question. Do you have DNA that confirm that that baby is for Papa Wahala? Any year any don't be so Papa Wahala be before. The man you could sad one can you could no dey agility, no get agility again. Eru Wahala meka
That businessman.
I'm a businessman. If you look the way Papa Wahala take dey vocal that year, you go see and say Eru Wahala we call.
You know where Papa Wahala go regret this thing. If he join politics, he's going to regret this thing. Cause any only our
your own pikin when you don't confess like your pikin. Me, I can never reject any pikin for anybody. Even me, I can never reject any pikin for anybody. If I never come see you now, get out of mind, say your matter in my heart. If you know so you born for me, your place married. No matter where my man. My pikin is my pikin. You cannot carry my blood on that person. I'm a bio money. I'm a bio money. Mama, okay. Mama, we get Wahala. Mama, see Papa Wahala. J-boy dey one side. I say lege side J-boy. Now a share say lege with them. A whole big man. You don't fit coordinate yourself. Now, you think say Papa Wahala go dey eat? If I like me, if I like me. If you like, you are pleasing Mama Wahala the way Cubana chief priest the please the wife now. You don't want to go talk about the one with the Kenya. You are pleasing your wife. But inside your heart, you not rest. But see, Cubana chief priest not rest. Inside have the beat every day. But Cubana chief priest is not Cubana chief priest again.
Yes, so my people, I greet you all with better star. I'm also top of national peace to reign. Greetings to every one of you guys. As you're watching the video, remember to like the video. As you all know, this is Frank Victor, the Umenwan, the social media king, the social media Cubana, the social media Ututunomunowan, the social media Enyiwa, the social media Akobisi. Runda, you know, you're not sick Akobisi, edokpayi, but more baba with this man. Just do my drink. I want you. Who are tough for national peace to reign. Now, first of all, Don Prince. I want to call you by your real guy's name. Idemudia no you Gbogbo, aka Don Prince. You see, you are just blabbing. If I had dog walla, but you know the funniest part, a Facebook went and I pay away good war. So now a good J, what was it called? A good J, now you define. You see people like us, we say, at least my me get YouTube, rap, a Facebook, or a TikTok. Upo ni magi yewe jelena, upo ni megi yewe jelena. Any ya guane ya do year go live video. Do I apologize to my own fellow man? For me to do that, before I come out to speak, I will first of all go and verify. You get me? This is the reason why I'm a big fish. I am the biggest fish on this about space. You know the reason why? Because I verify before I spark. I know the kind of spark. One of the best live video presenters for Benin about space. Ogu Iregua. Iragua te ya mi ekweni. Okono ga wan ye gbe kila de live video do gua. Everywhere must shake. You know the reason why? Because nya go be mo ga gua. It prove it all. And it matter all. It go dey difficult no one of we go apologize. Esuna. Because when you go ahead where you go hatara. Uvion gbeji. So go no here but so we were no gele touch away. It may not hit a point. You understand? The media at the end of the day, who don't yet go with the same media, you are a foolish man. That means you are not yet a man. You understand me? Or you may soak me. You are still a boy. OB is a boy. A boy. You understand? Who there is no down with now? Who there is rubbish no down with? You have been on this media for years now. When the issue of this man came up, Mr. Dumis Edu, aka Uwaila, one of your generation, Me and my brother, we dey praise right now. Efeyi, Bright, Efeyi Olayi, aka the Kokobiri Master, the husband to all single mother. Now we drag Uwaila for this media. First, na me drag her. Before Efeyi, Uwaila go talk for Efeyi platform. Even Uwaila still talk for Efeyi platform. He still come and say, bro, I want to talk. I hear live video, say, remove our speaker. Me, I Uwaila talk for live video. I think I say, no, I'm not agree. It matter where one can. It happens 2020, 2021, 2022. Oya soon. We drag the matter. I change that for a power. For this video, the video is still there. I'm not doing it. The video where you really like video. What am I going on? You were hitting on lolo. Again, we be lolo. If you're going to get my be. It's Facebook now. You were not known. We were just a small boy who you were. Like one of those boys in one kitchen. Few good guy. Then don't please sit down. You think this will make you relevant? No. I don't know you as a fool, I know you as a big fool. Big one for the matter. You can't do apology. Your apology is rubbish. Because even with this, no matter how you become a rubbish. You see me. Now me come and drag Uwaila about San Francis odigie. Uwaila called me. Me, Uwaila, and this man, this Uwaila boy. What do they call this guy? This particular guy where the Murphy collect body for him called the black man. One write the name now. Uwaila was very close. Loyal boy to Uwaila. Don Richie. Yeah, I got the name. Me, Uwaila, Don Richie. What they call? Mete bine na wema said the wema home. Uwaila explain himself. I let her say pa. Oh, we are one, no matter what. I know say yes, we be man with the guest plan principle. Are we go down be a one or more than be one? Yes, believe me, get that principle. If bad one are born for you, it born bad picking for you. And most those that man not will take responsibility of that picking. He go abandon the picking with the man. You understand? So when Uwaila talk to me, many when I watch for this media, I not Instagram again. And let's do what he talk. I give him my own point of view. We talk. We argue. At the end of the day, we settle. You understand? Don't reach the line. That very day. Now I say, okay, share my problem, you know. I know the matter. I let her know about we talk about Monica Debion. That J-boy. If you talk about J-boy, justice for J-boy, let me bring a comment. I was the one to bring that topic. Justice for J-boy. I get rich part 20 something. I go to drive bicycle to go. Bicycle to make you go. I go say justice for J-boy. Justice for J-boy. All of them are seeing what this media die. Not be story where none of them don't know. None of them don't die when this thing solved. You understand? Okay. I come out of media. I pick points from what Uwaila talk for a fair platform. Me, I pick points for them. Now that point I tell Uwaila. Only one point only one statement we make. A year the Uwaila. Is it in the even more than 1 year deal Uwaila is put it. When the Russian conference me and Uwaila together, Uwaila have to explain himself on that statement. As we see the conference, no intermediate. Uhenu wema what the DNA test o mana de yo na do ti we How can you explain that place to me? When Yena, Imahwe Monica, a live video presenter, where a Frankie, Wonya J boy. But you know where a Monica and me and Otoka 1-on-1. Matwork Benny. Or you want to hear Imahia Harai. Ya here good how where I would deal with test of Obia, not you, Obia Nokbia. Don't my day on a team and Umenwan. Nibidu. That piece my women in Mau. You understand? That piece we have something in common. Baba, that statement you go explain them. Now I pass it no. Now based on the way everybody drag her, may you come and do the may come and do this. Ain't got the money to go do the but this speaking of being you, he explained. You understand? On a dot here, agua no loguba. Umagua mwene you wipe You know you understand. I don't mean when I read out. Oh, when I'm okay. I understand. That's the I explain. I understand Umagua systemizing the matter, and everybody was watching you. People did not pick that ways. But me, I will listen to all the words. What a 5 hours we go live video with a friend. So that particular point was so massive. I may die. I may do war lobolobo. The media non viral. Now here where you are a big suspect. Larry of you bobo. Any kind we make you who a travel again. Even the metana you're not soon who a travel. Me I have one carry in one make me. Yagele yemi no ma yagwade no ma o. Ebies your massive agboni ma je no. Ebies your massive agboni ma je no. Eruwala, beautiful mama. Iye-eki. Eh, when I was like, baby, no. You were sleeping. You were not known then. Who were you here? You get me now? Now today, because you are not relevant to the society of a Benin space, you are not relevant. You are just a nuisance, unstable man, a pure water man. We are telling you what to take responsibility to the shine. And may have we appear with Akbao. And they ask you, don't please, Tabebo. When last do you see your children? Can we marry Casavatuno with Napoli? No migrated Mulile France. When last do you see that baby? You know what? Acquire your cadocadino. You acquire your ta. They were not painted well, were clean. Moreover, I'm going to go peaceful and peace to spawn and because why? Not going to get integrity. If we had wahoo lay, no wado big with Akbera and Amakbera or Umenwan ma. It is time you guys think you forgot about your evil past. I will remind you before you judge person, judge yourself first. Also, not Maria who ye go, Ikasa guy Bewene. I'm a very useless man who fight against adulterers. I want to go and sleep with the man. You got it now? So before you judge Uwaila, you go first judge yourself first. Number one. Okay, we are going to Uwaila shine Francis odigie. Who can tell you when no where Pierre no why you want the way. No where what neck way or be latin. No matter complicated. The one that was not complicated. Are you taking responsibility of those children? Question mark. In case one have it because I was second about it we're gonna you get me now. Now let's go there.
You know they know if they every day they sleep, they think about which can fuck up be this one? Which can fuck up I put my body so? Which can fuck up? But outside the world, you can't pretend say it's not my child. May come Nigeria now. But for you say a heart, he knows not even that picking.
You know say if he come Nigeria, they go arrest him.
Yes, now.
They go humiliate him.
So this so most of now way they are and I don't understand. The main people where do the thing, they know what they do. So Papa Uwaila, I'm using this media to tell you, you have to be taking care of this girl. And if you are not taking care of this girl, we will withdraw you like for social media. You cannot be a billionaire where not the try. You cannot be a billionaire where not the try. Any billionaire where not the try. We will give our woto. We not feed anybody. We don't feed anybody.
No, maybe by now when you don't see solo video and people video, you know, maybe if he change it, fine.
If he change his mind, I'll be very happy. You know why? Because at the shame when solo they talk say, go see big man when say marry. I mean they take off your picking. I was ashamed.
I try to bring a come you.
Imagine. What is a solo right for time?
Don't please.
So a solo we post on money. Or we post even from my picking. Eruwala post of your Canada.
All right, Don Mugu. Monana be bienwe. Monana anabe bienwe. Anabe ni gbo miliki. Ayo ya ni mwe biene mwanyone siboko ne faye. Be bodos. Okone ya gbekwa ona ya mekone. Monana be bienwe we post one day. That's the question. Women we mula on social media. To we me Facebook it post. Yes, this is my song. Kevin we viola on social media. To we me on Facebook post. You we post. Mugu go be son of who anu no mu where you were. The useless Isha woman we put you with her don't know herself. Isha no be son of Zua or be son of Salah. No mu where you were. Money bia we post one day. But Omg Wahala Dey no win your esther. Nu we bie no be son of mwere de boto mwere de bokuta. Obi abaro zuwa omo no bie nu we do rival we post in one day. When eru wala do post of this time. Uwe Solomon of ya post oge. Better who we post of one day. Look at somebody who is talking to people that are better than 100% better than him. Whenever life, you who got no property in life, as big as this world now, you don't have property. Then you can easily vote with your chest where this is my property. I own this thing. I bought this thing. In this same Europe, you don't have it. Instead of you to think of how to fix your life. Instead of you to think of how to fix your life. At your age, you might plan a life. You are still living on that woman, from one woman to another woman. If this one dump you after having children for them, this one dump you, they chase you out of the house, you switch to another single mother. Up to date, where it boast of a plasma TV which registered with your name for abroad or agua. A live video you when the woman was cutting you short. The woman on who was cutting you short because we were talking trash. We had we are even worried in Nigeria going, and you got nothing.
I have another picking. Before get with any land, when there is a risk, maybe there is problem in the fire.
Okay, so we have a solo or is solo picking, solo collect all of them. Whether they take off the risk, but he's still happy with his children. But Uwaila never take this girl as his daughter. He never take care of this girl. He never ever think about this girl. And this girl never know Papa Wahala. This girl, if you call her as this is this even though but Pikin will never talk to Papa for so many years. He get the way it be now.
No matter, I don't know. Why you don't know Papa? You don't know.
I know say go dey show am, but the man itself is not doing well. But me here now say he and Monica see they collaborate themselves for one corner. Monica they always they cover am because of the atrocity where Monica see they hide, and our Bruce know wetin dey happen. So mama me I no dey fear anybody. You dey hear me so? I dey respect people. I no dey fear anybody. I dey respect you. Yeah.
Don't please. Hello. Who Monica me?
No, maybe woman because. Okay, Mama. Mama, let me tell you something. Wait first. Mama, a social media now, a Monica name and the Bunari DNA, ne?
No, I'm going to have money.
A Monica name and the Bunari DNA, Monica Mario. Okay, now, Uwaila, and I said Uwaila like social media. Uwaila we no real DNA, a DNA ga fe. Or when I'm more gain. Abi? Owe DNA ga fe na but o ma ya to ge shan very owe e DNA a fe mo ge shan na mo give us one to shan very because they shan poor shan not there abroad. What get matter because they shan not there abroad or shan not get money. That will not be oppression. That is oppression. How can you tell Monica, say Monica, if your pikin fail, make the kind come give me. You say you not shop the toto. You not shop toto. You say if pikin fail, make the kind give you. I mean, me region nana. Monica, my way Monica there. It don't tell me Monica way or more monu we bien na rafe na mugume. That one I talk. That one I talk. I put they talk to baby. Who they talk to baby? Because when they talk. Why man I go and say nothing when maybe my pet and be so I want pet to want misbehave. I want papa want misbehave. Why man la matu wa do please don't let the please that matter. Give me your toy. No, Oriana settle Mama. Oriana la told because a share lad than now. Although if in your ya fe although in your wife when I allow. Masa na so you appreciate your husband, you appreciate so ma keke gbe do anyenyo e no ri mewa do lada na we
anyenyo one no e ni me when the solo you understand anyenyo one no ri go bag no ya 20 because one agile 20
yeah va plan mama 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 I know what about
when we a shot na make Solomon be man. Man is sense that una are na mami wa no bo wa hewe mami wa no mudianwe no way block o simeto o ma yigo ni yawe o ge pe o we do bio pe abawe o ke no respect e understand
yeah
because for so no in Nigeria my darling when I say wa ko meeting kana o wa yigo ni o ya wo ge
mama may I ask you a question you know say share the build house. Your husband the build house at the same time. You hear me so? As I'm telling you now, share get one house where they build to herself. Your husband the build on that duplex. Fair list, mama. We were listing there. No.
Oh, where after a bogey, the way of Daffy, live there, or when I are to not about that way. Only I don't buy land. Oh, go now.
Okay. So, me share, mama. Oren eternity, me cash you to me me share. Shana gili mwegbe no wagbon. O wa mi yasa won wa no stay. A wa le bowe. O wa ni ete boni. O ya hion. Or you go by business okay. Mudiane mama. Mudiane. No say nata mudia mama. Mudia. It don't say nata. O wa late. Or make a big business. Ibola gili amigo. Or eti dowa. In a better place, or if they go again in a rusty place, and you want to go manage it. Mama Mudia, ni maybe go. Wait till they make many people poor for abroad. I know many women for abroad. They will get 4 flat on Nigeria. Inside those 4 flat where they get, they never they see 1 naira. Now their family they chop the money. Most of them for year for abroad, they know they fit pay us rent. Go Italy, may go see many women where get house for Nigeria. They know they fit pay us rent. They suffer for abroad. But they get 4 flat where their family they enjoy for Nigeria.
All those one when not the 50 rents. Yeah,
because for me, business for now, if you should do business, than say you go to build one house where you never know when you the house will take finish. You are tying all your money down. All the money will be say you want to do big business. You want to turkey. You cannot get a turkey have your goosey or you are tie the money down. It will tie your money down. So if your money is tied down, it's not good. You hear me? So if your money is tied down, by now we go yes since you have or the aje turkey you have a different China you have a passport or you read. Have a beg or with big things. Because Agbona, if you are saying truth, people don't believe in the truth. They hear me so? People don't believe say not to build us, Now you say don't for poverty. Not be so. You feel build us, you still decide poverty. You can build us, you still be inside poverty. But to eradicate poverty away, business can eradicate poverty away. Business, that is why you see Igbo. Mama, always come off from my house. I'm with flats. I'm with even one year born. You may boy for my year no boy for. You may year ni abo one year born for. So there are some why Igbo people they make money pass we will be beneath today because Igbo they do business well. Igbo go do business before you know they'll go they build decky. But our money will take do business. We'll go and build us. We'll call the suffer. We know they think where say business is the ultimate. Nothing like business. The any billionaire for this world now business that they do. Inside that business, if you want to build a house, take money for inside that business. You build us under a 6, 7 months, 8 months. Your house will stand. Your business will see solid. Why some people carry their capital, take build a house, they'll call the suffer. Husband will tell us. Husband where they see so. He a very managed.
Now waiting me they tell women. Somebody like me don't please. I don't wait for man. I don't wait for my
husband. She can still be. Wait, somebody say, Mama. Somebody say she can still be in her husband's house and own her house. Fine. Nobody is doubting that. Yes, but you cannot be. You be in your husband's house and own your own house when you are not standard. When you are not standard, you want to form big man say I don't build us. When you are not standard. Esther ni me beg ba ni show you one year worth 10 million. Esther ni em cho buy you worth 10 million. Who more they talk truth?
No. Don't freeze. The plan waiting they inside that shop. Are you hearing me?
I'm hearing you.
The time I went back when the shop they remember me. All this shop for lots of Lagos. You know all those small caravan. You know, they say, you know something they say.
Mama, when we manage, our brain different for all those low mentality brain. No say for this abroad, people you the visit the house be everything. How can you be building? How can you 2 projects of house just the ground? Your husband they build duplex, you they build another one, but there's no big capital for you. 10 million people they do transport, they do business. 10 million when they say get for business now, people they use to do transport for their business. Now they hear me so people they use 10 million do transport for their business. So try if you want to become big. If you want to be big, Mama, small. So, no, I ought to do I not say me take my advice, so and my own me the talk. If you like me, go the big yard. No, you know, if you're not good for it, because people they come and say, don't please don't advise her like that. No, I don't say you should take my advice. But the brain when me get, they not get her. That is why I tell them, I say, it's how don't please go take call. All of them call surprise. Don't please now you get this one. Don't please now you get this one. You don't please they say you know they work. Don't please hey, time we call of them. When I say I do rituals, I not do rituals.
You know they work. You know they work.
They hear me so. Hey, time we call. All of them when they say don't please not get level. No, how they praise me. That's how they do nyaga. Me they beg when I'm gonna share by the phone. A time we call. Now you go they describe yourself, say you be my fans. Now you go they describe yourself. Because you know why? I love people. If you are telling them truth, they will think that you don't know what you are doing.
Maybe don't please. So maybe a kinona to Toniya is very cheap.
I don't know, be don't please.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Maybe a kinona to or very cheap. Or when you was there because now this they do. What here I do to. Oh, I don't feel let's work for what I don't talk.
Say let her build her house. You say let her build her house. Fine, can build her, but where is the capital that she want to use? Now the money where your husband they give her, make it they feed. Now want to build the house, or the gain where they come out for this one now. Now want to build the house. How much gain they come out for this one? They will still they standard. They will still they stagnant. If to say this man don't they do big international businesses, a visa galore. A visa no go they hard down. As soon as they say they travel different country. If they see the way they go China, if they go Vietnam, if they go different what do they call this place? If they go different country, before you know, if visa application will be going everywhere.
Don't please so when we no more money now you can with it.
Mama, why me? Are you nania? And because the money not there. Are you nania? Are you nanny no negbe? You know me say now the nanny bad.
No, please. Very mention. Why you different from mama? What understand me? Different from army. Army was so.
Go see Benin now. Go Benin. Go, you know go see go Benin. Now we full Euro pass, but the standard of us, you know, like Igbo people. Go Igbo land. When I reach Igbo land, when I dey Benin, me go see decky. Even so hard for Lagos, not reach Igbo side. But for our own, if you build 4 flat, we'll call the Nyaga up and dance it without bam. If you build 2 flat, we'll call the Nyaga say without bam.
No Zanzima.
Zanzima. That is why Gege they tell you say every day. Gege they tell you say do business. As not be every somebody like me. Me see they tell my family say the house one I say that not be anything. Me first gate, second gate. Before you reach where me they stay for my compound, you go reach 3rd gate. You know if you come and say you put gate, you they see the priest. My own personal house where me want stay for Benin, 1st gate, 2nd gate, before you reach 3rd gate, before you come see the prince. If you know way, you know if you see me. I'm not going to leave all those smart people will work today. Then after 6 months, they'll cost you work. After 7 months, after they 10 years, you have to work back.
The prince, if you have like the go like that, say, work for me go pamujo, Mama, the money where you ask not the wrong. You can buy people house if you have money. You can buy people houses if you have money. Did they hear me? So ask not the wrong. The problem people have is that they don't know how to do business. Pump your money. False information about Papa Uwaila for a very long time for this social media. We have been spreading false information about Papa Uwaila. My people, make una come out to make una call here the real truth. When my family can't call me yesterday, now I can't know the real truth about the dragging. Where would they drag Papa Uwaila? I'll call you. I say make I can't use this medium to apologize to Papa Uwaila. There are so many false information where we don't they put out to the public for a very long time without no proper check. Now yesterday, now they can't tell me the make cocoa what did they happen. My people, as now they come, make una share this program, make everybody see am. The way they take carry yesterday, where be said the whole YouTube don't fool for Don Prince. I know say this one where they want to apologize, Papa Uwaila now. They not go share this one. And so people be. The time when I fed they tell you now say, if you insult all these big people, now that they carry your video go YouTube. And so they behave. Since then, nobody know whether Don Prince they exist. They not share my video go YouTube. But when me come to drag Papa Uwaila yesterday, when I go YouTube, my video full everywhere. But today, all of them will pretend now for this apology when I want to do so, and these things when I want to tell the general public. So I know say they don't will share this video. Now so you might be, and may you fall for temptation. Now you might be there. They don't need your happiness. Now they hear me so they don't need your happiness. So all the lovers of Edo Sabah space, if you want to hear the real truth, share this video, make it reach everybody hand. More I can see the whole truth where we they drag since then. Papa Uwaila don't finally talk, so I will explain and I will apologize. I don't even know see Papa Uwaila na my brother. Mene Don Prince marry we Eru Uwaila or Temeno. I don't even know till yesterday. When my family carry me sit down. My people now they hear me. Hello, are you hearing me? Yeah. If you know you are hearing me, say you don't share. Say hi. I want to see whether that don't come. If you know you are here, you are hearing me. Say hi. Hello. If you know you are here and you are hearing me, say hi. Let's start.
They're not hear me. They are not hearing me. If you know you are here, say hi. Let's start. Not be small matter. Want us? Not be small matter. If you know you are ready, say hi. If you know you are ready, say hi. And share the video. If you know you are ready. If you know you are ready, say hi. Are you guys ready? Blanca Massimo, I see you. Beauty Omoregbe. Please, are you guys ready? If you know you are ready, say hi. So that make I know so una don reach here. I not see anybody.
Okay, go on. Welcome me, me come on the me. One boy you go 6 gates, 1 or 6 gates. 6 gates.
1st gate, 2nd gate, 3rd gate, 4th gate.
Oh, you mean 6 gates. If you go on my Facebook,
from Nigeria. I don't feel where you are.
Oh, tell me what do means Edo Ugbegu.
I don't see the truth. I don't know say that the waiting a year now not be the truth. After we go here, na we not tabano. So every year no don't go to. Every year we tell the do minus bobo because in the American bobo ya gwalo do mesedo. Every year we tell of it when we nyama we nyama. Why the 1 year now? Why do you know the legend? I only blackie.
Oh my God, you know. Oh, really well, very important.
Nigeria the 1st gate, 3 gates, Akedo Sowa. Oh, when you need that person, only of you are ready now. 1st gate, 2nd gate, 3rd gate. Mama gets me on it.
Anybody.
Or of your fear, of your sorry, of your fear, of a 3 gates. You know, stand away as in Nigeria. I'm out for one ticket. You know, you have your one. You're not 1st gate, 2nd gate, 4th gate.
Ozo, no zo.
I'm swallowing my cup. Justice for my 1st lady. I give it on me. All the over the more when they show you we get a weapon, I will get certificate na lasi palu when na ganu we ya tuta yi palu we ye be wepu. Then we tell na iwu go ba le certificate je so get to Nigeria. Every oja we we the paternity no ya apoto la so. We na be wepu. Iwe le paternity I think nya be ma nya be ba ya kele ku we ba ni.
Okay.
Oh, so.
What's it?
When
What's it?
So when my man had when I put the make one, the context is go even for a country, leave there, I kept playing go the country. Was so
We are
what be Iwayamu, white than evening, what people was said. Tabuku. Body was said the Facebook when you were Yaya Jawogi or was said. To be a few of us are in with our better to farm with our wife, the fan of power to the summer when no shoot, no cotton. Oh, I will be Ojak or sharing.
How?
When you want it, I remove.
Where's the man? Thank you very much. Now, Dombumu, how you do? Let me let you know one thing. First of all, go to Shine Francis odigie platform. Domugu, the listener, the video you did today. Let me go back to that video.
I beg, from today, not the talk say na Papa Wahala get that pikin. Shine Francis odigie, from today. Now me, the priest, go send you message now. If you know say you don't have DNA of that your pikin say na Papa Wahala get her, never you come out again and say na Papa Wahala na get that pikin. If you try again, problem will dey. Everywhere will scatter for social media. Now they hear me so.
Yes. My people, I greet you all with better sky. Please, this video, we're not tag everyone out this video. You understand? Enough is enough. You understand? Everyone not going to bribe everybody for this media. That's why many person like me, I started bribing me. You see that truth? Where everyone don't want the Benin people here. This time and this year, we go here. I say so. Umenwan say so. You understand? Your DNA test of your child will be done. And we will know who they run from responsibility and who they lie. First of all, I've gone straight down to Shine Francis odigie. 1 hour ago, she wrote, anytime my ex wants a DNA test for his daughter, I am 1,001,001% ready, and it will be televised. Here on Domugu, here on. Everyone I got you go nowhere or got bribe where. You're not deceived when I away. Everyone like here when I media now. Everyone I got here where you be a diamond. Everyone should get ready for your DNA test because now it is not got J-boy now. It is not Diamond. Diamond need justice. Everyone will serve Diamond justice. This is a clear justice for Diamond, Shine Francis' daughter. You understand? This time around, everyone will not cover anybody once again. And I'm not going to be accepting talk indoor again. Or not everyone will have to come out and do a DNA test for that girl. Let us know if a Shine Francis is forcing another man's children on him. Then we will know why Solomon cannot be taking part of the responsibility of Uwaila daughter anymore. Tomorrow you go see my face. Yes. If I'm not seeing my face, no one will face. Because why? My laptop get problem. Your laptop go by. Automatically, if I do video, go blank. At least when they see me. And I see myself, and I don't see me. You understand? Uwaila with DNA test no ohani. 67 not up where Eh, we do tara weru wala nya money. O kwa vien yomo edokpayi aven. Eru wala do DNA test newu. You understand? And this is the movement. Straight. It must come to pass by the special grace of our ancestors. Everyone must do a DNA test. You cannot be calling any presenters that talk about this girl indoor and bribe them and they will not come out and change minds. It will not happen. You understand? As you told me where was that money, but this time around, DNA will test. Do one year, do 1 year. This time around, DNA test will tell the world if you are responsible or you are not responsible. You do respect, sir. You understand? You will do a DNA test. Thank God, Sir Francis Iruwa. You understand? But you're not going to feature down. Where is it? You are going on all the time. Now you are going to no we make off your ball. Where you go now? As far as where no man condom. Why are we doing test? Now I do 1 year, do 1 year. I get DNA test or a problem where you have the money. You can do 20 DNA tests. So that your name will be clean on this media. So that your name will be clean on this media. Other Monica, the Asaboro Monica, honor what concern inside you where one ahina. We are there. We are Sir Francis William Latvian who didn't Ogmelajane. A shine Belajane now where anytime we are requesting DNA test of money, you're ready in your way. And not just only she and you, we the media are going to send delegates to follow you to the hospital. Yes. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Frank.
What talk better?
Off with it.
Yeah.
I think it's our time, always our big tradition of why ye mono.
Yeah.
I think it's our time. I change it.
Exactly. Yeah.
Because we money work here, because where you school by any domo,
yeah.
We are you see, my where a corner will allow when man a corner will be money, my brother, open up here about money.
Of course.
This tradition of maybe where many years is in the time. When you get was doing that, what I'm making of money, so now it's a money loud. When I say this movement, may I support your movement now? There is no that they shine. Is that time because they shine?
Yes.
It's not that way now.
And you're a billionaire.
Yes, even when I got money in your building, where I would get any money, which you want to know. We know why you tradition. We know why you tradition. Say no, it's already get any shine. They will not look at shine. Wherever it's what a more. So let's get ready. That's all. Now you always said that.
God bless you.
What is your tradition?
Exactly.
247.
Exactly.
He pays 100 gets your bomb as I will. I will say you go away where don't worry. I don't pay your money, but a day pay over and yet here because over.
That's a blog.
Yes, now over. He said, was he just your bomb will be a man. Or he care because where he just your bomb or money is some money. Up to now, but I have 2 kids here. But another one here, because I can't know. Yeah, over. So what gas change this kind of money dinner. Everyone of why you can't even doing money. That's it. Everyone I is where money you're going to shine. What I would hear I hear that confirming where you have money about money. That's all.
God bless you. God bless you. It is very clear. Our clear.
But I before now we are before really man. This time I
Water. I agree with water, woman. Okay, according to Mary Crew, I see what you write. You understand? That's why I said it is not going to be Uwaila. This was not going to be Uwaila. This one is going to be between their doors. You understand? Listen, this will not be joking matter. You understand? Enough of all this Kabu story where they do so. This is saying I will not do for those one. What we're doing is what doing well. Uwaila, my father and my brother. Now our own personal person. Shine Francis, now our sister. Now our man. You know, our own personal person. You understand? If they do one or two things, Uwaila, now our own mama, now our own iye, now our auntie, now our sister. Now still our personal person. You understand? So if he gets waiting, they make Uwaila they run for the responsibility. We want to know. He should tell us. You understand? This matter go hot past before. Before now just they are doing something. This one, all we need is the DNA test. Let's know if Nairo will actually get this girl or not. Enough of this story. I review. Nairo will get woman Nigeria. I'm not going to You understand? If this girl say now you get this speaking, let's go for DNA test. And the DNA test is done. If this DNA test not be this man own, Shine Francis will get ready. It not go easy for her. It not only the saga will go saga Francis for this media. It not go easy for her. But if the DNA test is for Uwaila, if the DNA talked about Uwaila, that Uwaila get a picking. Uwaila should be. First of all, you go settle Shine Francis for the years of abandoning that woman. We are that woman to take responsibility of your own children, your own daughter. You understand? A DNA test not that way. We're not Uwaila on your money. Ukaya Oja. Uya. Why damn you have yet do? Umenwan move on a give say no to Europe tour. Say no to Europe tour only repent you. The condition in my fulfill can I make a son week maybe I will me. I just respect the elders in Tieme and the Pima presidents. But what we are seeing till now, I just get away the deepest reach and the way name what is ye. So by yes ye and even it's called is ye that was a body wa you only you wa. Son or not P4. I don't know now. I don't want concern or Tima, Erima, or Sima, Uwaila, Mr. Domains no yet do. You understand? This one concern all the mothers in the diaspora, both home and abroad. Equal, you know, a matter like concern wa. Nobody should be left out on this issue. You know, water.
For this one where our brother just talked, so me myself I support. I support. They need to do DNA test for that picking because that lady don't to suffer. She don't to suffer. Enough is enough. You understand? This thing is too much. Not be saying the lady now. We know some people when you need DNA test, the lady that will be running. But she's not running. She didn't take the child and run away from the father now. It's the father that is running.
Yeah.
So we want to know. We just want to find out.
There
are some mothers that don't want to do DNA test, but this lady is ready. Everybody have to stand. We have to stand with her. Let bygone be bygone. Now because Papa Uwaila have talked to this goat now inside house. He's coming out to say it's not the father of that child again. No. Enough is enough. They need to go and do DNA test. And I support also. We are going to support our sister, our daughter. Because that lady, she's crying. Inside, indoor. What is that little girl? What did she talk? You don't know the spirit of that girl. That's why I always tell people. I say, you don't know the spirit of that small girl. You don't know how that small girl will come tomorrow. Why are you denying? Let them go and do it. I support 100%.
What's it? What's it about? Yeah. So I was saying, this issue is not going to be a joke. You understand? It's so unfortunately see my man. Be like I go change this laptop and go to this saw. Go to the I feel the plan. Let me ask. Wait. Me, I use my phone. Cause this laptop they make me invest. Let's say I go enter my phone. Go to the so they make me invest. I don't like they talk. I don't see my face. That's like my charge play. I go do video. I don't see my face. I make it sense. You know, charge play. Now use my phone. Laptop with the laptop. You like me. Man, I think I go after you, but rubbish. When they see me when I say yes. When they see me, Abby. When they see me, I tap yes. And go say. When they see me, you know you are ready. I'm not kidding. What they bother? Please also. Okay. Okay. Well, I must talk for national history. Now, as I was talking and saying, a month against China, Francis Odigie, you did bad. To me, it's no way to Uwaila. We have to put an end to it this year. I'm going to share this video. I'm going to tag Uwaila for this video. You understand? This message, you should not go do a message to Uwaila. This message now straight to Uwaila. Bye. I greet you. You understand? Your boy lawyer, now senior man you be. Now Facebook, if you want to come, because of the kind of game you play for Facebook. Understand? And don't worry, Ohuna, automatically anything can solve. The only thing that can prove where money is DNA test. And DNA test not going to kill you. Or a good Monica. You Monica. You want your boy. Not be Penak Bagarian, Penagina. A matani, anybody no young Monica now almost when you well at you. Any new personal life Facebook now young Monica. Uwaila, I'm also you where Uwaila side chick. Monica go carry picking give back. Oh, in Arriva. Now, a Sir Francis Odigie, open with good back and with good so say. I make it on the son. No, I got at how the son. Or I boy, I mean, no phone on my be. Okay, we have to negate like my no. So, what clear, Umi away. It's all you have to have it more. Now, a Sir Francis or Beardway. Now we will take the voice of Sir Francis now. Well, yes, you are the biological father of Diamond. You will not come and let the world know you are not the biological father. By going to do DNA test. And doing this DNA test, if I talk about you did respect, sir. Those are the respect you well. Doing the DNA test, it is not going to be you alone or Sir Francis alone. You understand? We will also send people to follow you guys to that hospital. You understand? But if If anything like big D, now the doctor will collect with her hand. And the DNA test not going to dump in one hospital. And here where hospital you feel me so? What do the DNA test? And me, I still get the doctor without being. You feel me so? Hope see last DNA test was kind of give doctor go see that. So many things we will do the thing clean without no mago. You understand? And we go broadcast them. The whole world go see them. The day where they go do the DNA test will be live for that hospital. The day where they go still give the DNA test results we are still going to be live for that hospital. The whole world go see them. Clean. If now your Peking or Shine Francis all these years in your bias go only buy money because why? That way a boy in my fee we are part of the money on all these years. I want make it not so my mom I never baloma. You are oppressing this girl. Or out to who are even we can right now. Even when we Shine Francis now, or when you can or out to who are aware. As we have said, there is also normally. Okay, they are walking out here, but I'm not being on you. But okay, am I only work better? And you are the man, you are the leader of your home. Open we get you talk more about there. Open no one about the moment to pay your body would done. Who that way I mean, guess the living. Baba, I just go beg you. You are best, I respect you normally. You see this matter of Shine Francis too. And when we all do as family, peace. Nezo egaro. Because they move mana da ema no you zera da ema ni they as a mentor. Muya, but if you look you we might take back when we do it. It's a shame. I'm on the it's a shame, bro. What about you, Nebilonia? We feel this we cast on, it's a big slap to your face. It's not personality. It's not a politician. Tomorrow you can also become. I will not as a governor, but those money goes away. A man go away. A compliment women who is not the governor of those states. Tomorrow you can the beginning can say, what my boss can make it. Make that boost there. When you don't see it, he do well. You can also do more. Then when all these lapses you don't talk, it's a big bar. Opponent you use against you. Opponent can use it against you. That's just why. It's not really how that go they will make an clear now attitude review for future purpose. Bro, I just got beg you to DNA test you do now. Baba, I don't want to call you for his ass. They will talk about his ass. Now live video for the talking soon. You still get the right to come to me in your one. You are more life or you will speak your mind. Then we'll have a conclusion. An income about this DNA test. Because this is going to be our topic for now. Everyone, what's run away from this issue? You can't run away from this issue. This little game, whether or that's on the topic now. The topic is you go and do a DNA test. Let us know if this baby is yours or it's not. Because 1 hour where Shine Francis issue, guys, even now where I'll be a guy. And I'm going money go away the Uwaila. Even now, I Shine Francis see you, talking a leg guy. Guy. Because he has been dragging you with this baby for years. But we're going to put a stop to it at least for once. Let your all this work, my soul will be general. Let your be clean for once. And tell that a solo, no bobo or drag you with it. And we'll come to think about it. It's just that bobo or man go wherever you want. Also, no. Egg one wherever you want. Up when I go deep. You understand? Dog one where you want. this issue would have been a very unique one. But now, I'm going to buy. That's on the problem. That's on the solution to the problem, bro. Come to life to beg you is not the solution. That's what called bribing and corruption. Bro, you are bigger than that. Beg for what? For calling you out? For your own rights? For your own property? For you to come and take responsibility of what they say is your own. Bro, if it is not your own, you don't have to say nobody owe you apology. About this Shabbos, nobody owe you apology. Apology is bullshit. It's rubbish. That apology is fucking rubbish. But nobody owe you apology. What doing is what doing well. Straight. You do DNA test, prove that this baby is not mine. And leave it on the media. Because people will still come and drag you again. Because now, I'm not dragging you now. You have to do DNA test. Oh yeah, come bribe me. And give me 50 million. Make another talk about it again. It's not gonna happen. You know now. But you know, say, but the way I go tell what about the straight. Do you let me wait till bribe me now will come in? Yeah, well, guy. Fix it to you. Let's go and do it. You go with women again. No matter when you go. Yes. Real life imagine. No time we gonna make conference call time we gonna Uwaila jelo do te but we wala egui baba not like egui. This one na clear matter. Why we didn't test now why we or money or we no kwa agba oge. Do we gba oge o. Woman gba oge who want to know do what kill your money. Clear. If money straight direct test you want it not depends on you do agba oge. You will not leave us in France, San Francis. Shine. Okay, my shine. It's very simple. So, and I was so happy that Shine boldly post on this media 1 hour ago. Or when it's we have to 1,000,001%. In our way back. Bravo. So, by the bodies of your courts. This video is a short video. Tomorrow we are coming out. See, everybody should hear. All the social media live video present. Listen and listen very good. Enough is enough. No big man for Benin go dey bribe now. One no they talk the truth. If when they collect bribe for the truth, what they talk, when they big say they stupid. They kill na dream, they kill na truth, they kill na honestly. They believe what they get for now, they kill them. You hear me so? That's why I say if Frank your muscle him, equal your muscle. Well, I love the truth, and the truth should be prevail. On no condition should any big man, you call any big man out, they can't give you money, me not to talk. Now yourself you kill, now your platform you kill. They go down, they kill your platform. If they want to use for any dirty job, now you they go see you because they don't see you easy for them to bribe. They go call on you, they go use you. You go there, say a big man call you, but to hell with big man, they call you, they bribe you. Big man wait for honest way. Now they bad, now they pay loyalty to. Big man when they bribe, and not the loyal to them, they be idiots. And therefore go show that their papa. You understand? Big man will know the truth they do and with him be. I go lawyer. I go become a dodo for him. You know me say if that money I go chop, I go chop him. Don't know bribe. But say if matter what concern come. Now, come talk about that. Mango can't deceive you, and you know you can't say but because you want some big one call you. Baba, you know a big man. You are a muggle. You know on your own. The big man they feed your wife. They feed your children. If you know your zoo. Now the usually have been so called big men. They buga. All these big men we say that woman money to make money. All that they are there abroad here. Some of them carry drugs, carry different things here. Some of them use their wife money, money to ham and build house for Nigeria, build hotel. Now they call the big man was zoo. Why? That's what nothing make up for this media. To stand for truth, you go the hard now because they pay loyalty to one kind mugu. We don't get sense. You understand? One never let me talk. You see this part go to go sweet. Because a lot of she said, a lot of go join this saga. when you draw. So this rain, but you don't draw. You don't understand. You draw rain, but you don't see draw rain. Or because you don't get sense, you don't feel stand put for that rain. But we get sense, we'll stand with that rain. And the rain go fall. You understand? The rain go fall. It will have to come out and do DNA test for Diamond. Let him know his father. It's his movement, and it must stand. It must stand. The DNA test must be done. What people does this? They are PDC now. They just screw to San Francis or odigie platform. Yes, sir. Just see your post. You don't post. If you don't watch this video, after they do this video, you don't go back to that post. Bim, 1 hour. Say me, you ready to post DNA test anytime when we look. Baba, you will come out. The woman don't follow us saying want to do DNA test. Then you come out. So if you not come out, and be say you know what you do, and you will go to saga, we go drag you for this meeting, not be joke. Yes, now, gone of those days we frustrate our women. So now we're to single without taking responsibility of your children. It can never happen. Yes, our father married 3, 4, 5 women, and they take part of responsibility of all the children they had. So why you go be big man? They run for one picking. It no go suck. If now juju they use not do, now just they use not do. If now money ritual they use not do, you say no, that woman go born for you. This one we go change on. Yes, so we go change on. All the Benin say we go change on. Mama, thank you very much for the super chat. Here with you, boy. What they saw? You will be billionaire. One of the richest man Benin. You born, you person born for you. You don't feel if your Papa, no this thing called provoke with the more. You want to tell me now say you never go to give orphanage home as a big man for Benin. Where gift to get me know how much you don't dash me. Then I go where go na me, go where jani me. Uwaila. Me will get to let grown up man like that. I know how much you don't dash me. So that's how I buy motor for your hand. I know how much you dash me. The first time I buy for your hand, you go where jani the back. When I say no one you don't know, you can't remember. I send you my you transfer money for this for me. You don't want to hear like I do birthday. I know how much you dash me. So what if now when it could be your problem, we don't take care of everything or waiting. Anything we decide, everything will be done on live video. Make the whole world here. It's supposed to have misbehave or Thailand there. Or I mean even one bad Thailand. I disgrace, hey. So that our women can use and learn. You can give another one day we are wedding. And nonsense no one like. Where we are money or where? Who Thailand there? A closed man, a closed destiny. It will never happen again. Any woman when those man give you belly, you don't want to take responsibility. I demand get money. Carry the motor come. We go drag her. We go drag her. Omo go yano. Maybe I think we go where. Now benefit for her. Go Uwaila. No. Now my opinion, bro. My this sister. I go use chest weapon. I go use it carry the fight. Ignore the marriage you can't even do me. I go me I get no. Me work ko say me I gbe ni gbe no mo we na gbe I want help us. Master de biso. Ma ra biso. E me you can yon. I want na gbe ni le. O gbe mo yakop e wo bo. Ignere. So you want to tell me now say that money be your problem. DNA testing to be done. Stay down. It must happen. DNA test must be done. The matter that the bill or why woman lad very sorry sir. When now the matter that the lads you will do the need for yours to peaceful. Call. I don't want to call you again, your number normally. But me not to well by the week. Or what we must not have woji. Why I San Francis. I don't know. San Francis number not get on. I beg kuna get San number. Una start my WhatsApp. Tomorrow I'll call San Francis odigie. Sharply. I want to talk to them one-on-one. It's time. Anybody will get the number. Solomon wife, there's no wife number. Una set up my WhatsApp. No, not put on this live stream. Una set up my WhatsApp. Una get San Francis number. No put on this live screen. Put up my phone number, my WhatsApp number. Then I will call her. I will talk. I want to ask her a question. You understand? Yokowa. As this man don't come media, I be the one fight for San Francis, one fight for Uwaila. And that's what they will fight for. We not only fight for the woman, we fight for the man and the woman. So that's the way I would say if I get, because me, I never get I never talk to the sacrifice one day. Yeah, call her personally. If they watch this video, make she call me. We will talk. I love the post where you draw yours now. Say, in ready to do DNA test. Now one with me. My belly. Make it call. And I'm gonna let her know, okay, no problem. If we know that, we sure we do walanya mona or we walanya a problem with mama. They post the post. The boldness with you talk, let's say 1,000,001%. How would DNA test it? Whether I was at all. Okay, you was at all. Now, Epa Domizedu. Well, Wanyamo, according to Don Prince, man. Eho Wanyamo, fine. What you know that when you must or about your woman, love your kenne, and make a love in it. You cannot just use man deny. You let me go speak for you on a DNA test. Baba, converse. I beg, if you are ready for the DNA test, call me this evening. We will talk. We'll plan this before weekend or next week. DNA test will be done sharply, ASAP. You understand? I see the hot, very, so that we just do a post plan. Everybody clear. We know who they go wrong and when they go wrong. So if the second one rule, we will know the second one rule. If you have that side, we will know. If you have San Francisco side, we will know. That's what your view. You understand? You know why he and what I agree with you. Would you without knowing sort of I been in my matter, I say, well, man, that's what team why correct in it. I'm not back for master. Because a movement nana. Actually, I barely one hour have on the money and rag money. They solo my maro una. You probably your was sick coming here. Oh, yeah, I do my trick. I want you. You know what I say, Father? Well, so my father will do it. I will praise you. Father, we fuck up with good discussion. I'm not sure just be. Man, people not gonna call you big man will not get level. Big man will not get take away. Oh God. But no, I beg you. Maybe we do the needful. You understand? Because this I go too sweet. But anyway, like the video said. Anywhere, why don't like your live video say? When the way all this one now, everybody just clean, we all clean. Please just do your thing, the good normal level. Baba, this one so he go still drag you come out. For this one to drag you come out, do the needful. Arrest my case till tomorrow. I be doing one. Or do your mafia now? Mafia because it's like I we are from there. I go where you. I go move it over now. If you're fucking a job. Hey, what am I going to see you now? Because I put the girl in the team and I said, for example, we get it. China Francis, and I probably my for over year one. Eh? Oh God, remember my own Facebook here. Many work it. You even I'm not only have one girl. Only one particular girl. The car I love you, the kind of belly love you now. But we love you now. Nobody have not to see. Like we love you now. Also, I mean, that for the boy have because I wait from it. What misbehave? More baby life do. Go point. All God bas. Why where? I don't boy you. Any you know, at least you will render happiness based on where go. You understand? Why respecting your work? I say, man. I want to hear the word. Your many but man, the boy here married now. They have kids, they have children. You understand? Many me not be me over. No, you know, my divorce. If my one married, they cut it. Tradition, my way. Hey, man, not separate. But I'm not be many. I'm taking the responsibility for those children. You understand? So yeah, think I because you will punish me where by yana. No, I'm not going to You get me now? I know you're calling me. Let me are proud. Yes, my son is very smart, very intelligent. It's schooling you teacher on the phone. Man, I'm beginning. I don't have salon. They're very playful. We are saying that cool. So I know. So mana iye-eki no mana ni be kan iye-eki. Man dole moji. But if you know when why the responsibility, why you go buy your bow the money you don't go for one. I don't know what. But if you carry how many obu? If you have go here na go the American government who buy the ticket for the American vien. Canada for the Canada vien. O mo we be wala ne. Baba. No, you go tell the obu what happen. This man not be joke. You go tell the obu what happen. Why you don't want to take responsibility of that picking? It's the young. Only are bragging and moving like a book. It will not see you today. Bros, not be joking. Look at that check on. What do you know? Puffing, what do you? Over 2.5 years, if you're here. One thing. I go every way. He gave a woman here. Over 2.5 if you're here. Now go over 1.5. The truth is, this is bitter. Mugu. Oh, Uwaila Dey, you see Uwaila Dey. See Uwaila Dey, see Uwaila Dey, no be joke. You have to do the needful. If you just do the needful now, you know this part of your quench. On that 3 days, not quench. I mean, not be so. So. Yeah, what's it? Born away. Men okay. Dear test you know away. No problem. I away. What's it? Why you? Me, I get me for us. I carry for corner okay afa. I run a package now. If you what delay you. You understand? Oh, okay. I'm money. If you have good. Well, we are both we are dealing test you with my who. No UK. I might win wahoo. Baba, we'll talk to this way now. More do this right, more do this right, but no the mass line. Oh, go back make you here. Who don't pay to go out dealing test you. And I might when we start no we again. Can't they when the control you. Baba don't talk no well. I'm not losing this part away now. Oh, the pa. Don't go see Uwaila Dey. Bring my hammer where dealing test all your honey. Diamond. No more. Diamond no more album. I will deal to survive back. It's very important. I want to hear I call you a video call ye. I want to mukubia 8 WhatsApp group. I will tell you. If I bolla with beyond care. If I bolla with beyond care for national peace to live.
Why they use false information they drag that man? Even me, when they talk so, I don't drag the man.
Okay.
I think say maybe even the share who they talk so. Francis Odigie.
Okay.
Have you bring that DNA that confirm say that Papa Wahala Dey by your pikin with the tag?
Oh.
That question.
Thank you for that question. That's what we need now. If I don't know, what talk best out almost the excellence. Instead of what talk by you. The man piece what going now. Or what do Shai Francis see the DNA test? Shai Francis, get ready for the DNA test. This is not a joke. This is not a saga. This will not be saga. Shai Francis Odigie, I must greet you, man. Part of due respect, man. First of all, respect to your husband, Mr. Solomon. What, mama? I beg, you understand? The matter will not be like a silence. Understand? At least let's do this thing once and for all. Once